Okay, so this is the main riff of Chura Liya Hai. I'll just play this. So, first thing with right hand, all the strokes are down strokes, no alternate strokes. Everything is down, 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 down. Now, you need to put your first finger on third string. This is the third string, second fret. And from here, you apply your 1, 3, 4 exercise, which means your first finger is on third string, second fret, third finger is on the fourth fret of the same third string, and little finger is on the fifth fret. Your thumb should be behind fret number 3. There's just two rules, bending and swinging, meaning bending and wrist flowing out. So, first thing is 2, 2, 5, 4, 2. These are fret numbers. 2, 2, 5, 4, 2. And then 2, 2, 4, 2. And then third string 2 times open. Fourth string 1 time open. So, I'll play this slowly. 2, 2, 5, 4, 2. And then 2, 2, 4, 2. These are fret numbers. Third string 2 times open, fourth string once open. So, now second part is almost same. Minus the 3 zeros in the end, you're gonna play on third string first fret. So I'll play that. 2, 2, 5, 4, 2. 2, 2, 4, 2. And 1. If you want to add some flavor in your playing, when you're doing it for the first time here, you can strike 6 times down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the count. So, round 2. 6 times. Repeat.